going to be making very delicious coconut macaroons. For that you will need 2 cups of coconut flakes, 3 egg whites, half cup of sugar, half cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 pinch of salt. Let's get started. First I'm going to beat the egg whites. Now I'm going to add sugar, butter, salt and vanilla essence. Now I'm going to beat it well. Now I'm going to add coconut flakes and mix it well. Now using a spoon, I'm going to scoop it out and place it on a tray. I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Our delicious macaroons are ready to be served. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.